What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Smell What Coop is Cooking. Today, we're going to be making Mexican street corn, elote. We're also going to be going in and we're going to be making some LA hot dogs, street dogs. You know, the ones wrapped up with the bacon, the ones you get outside of Staples Center? Those ones we're going for tonight, so let's get it, you guys.
First step, we're gonna prep our corn. Here I have 4 ears of corn. What I'm gonna do with this corn is I'm gonna take the husk and I'm gonna peel that back. I'm gonna peel it back all the way down. I'm not gonna peel it all the way off because I wanna keep that. That's what we're gonna rewrap our corn in. I wanna peel out all of that silk, get it all off my corn, as much of it as I can. If you leave a hair or two, don't sweat it too much. It's not going to be that bad, but get as much of that silk off as you can. Once you've done this, you're going to take your husk and you're going to pull it back over your corn. Wrap it all the way around as tight as you can. I'm going to pull the little leaves over at the top like this, and I'm going to sit this in a bowl to soak. And I'm just gonna rinse and repeat for the rest of the ears of corn. Once I've finished, I'm going to let all of my ears of corn soak inside this water 1 hour. Next, we're gonna make this cilantro mayonnaise sauce that we're gonna lather our corn in. The ingredients we're gonna be using today are mayonnaise, Mexican sour cream, tajin, garlic, cotija cheese, cilantro, and lime. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up my cilantro. Nothing too fancy, just a little rough chop of these cilantro leaves to get them small enough to incorporate into our sauce. I'm gonna save a little bit of that because I'm gonna top the corn off with a little more cilantro at the end. Next, I'm going in with the garlic. After the garlic, I'm gonna add my mayonnaise, Mexican sour cream, and I'm going to take this lime and I'm going to cut it into 4 wedges. I'm going to squeeze in the juice of one of these lime wedges. I'm going to take my spatula and I'm going to stir and fold the cilantro into this sauce until it's all well combined. Once I've got that all mixed up, I'm gonna take this, cover it, and I'm gonna set this in my fridge to chill. Back to the corn. Once I've let this corn soak for an hour, I'm gonna take it out of that water. I'm gonna drain it a little bit, put it on my tray, and I'm gonna get this ready to take out to my grill. Big on my King of the Hill with the propane grill on deck. I've already preheated my grill. I'm gonna put all my ears of corn on, and I'm gonna let them sit on each side, all 4 sides of the corn, for 5 minutes each, till you char your corn to your liking. Now I got the corn cooked how I want it. I'm gonna get this off the grill and onto a tray. Now that our corn's cooked, we're gonna move over and we're gonna start making these street dogs. The ingredients we're using for these street dogs are 3 different kinds of peppers, one red, one yellow, one green, a yellow onion, some beautiful brioche buns. And here we got our hot dogs already wrapped in bacon. Can't have the street dogs unless they're wrapped in bacon. Come on, y'all. Let's go ahead and get to slicing on these peppers. For the peppers, I like to cut the top off, cut the bottom off, take the top, split it in two, remove that stem, throw it away, take the center with all those seeds and all that fleshy membrane out. Then I'll cut that white membrane out with a knife. So you can pick it out with your hands too, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna slice that pepper in half. Then I'm gonna slice up the entire pepper, including those tops and bottoms that I cut off earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and repeat for the rest of them. I'm gonna slice everything so it's somewhat the same length and size so that it all cooks evenly. I'm gonna do the same thing with my onions. I'm gonna go ahead and slice these into slivers. Now I got it all sliced up. Throw a couple jalapenos in the back. This is what's gonna be going into my pan with my hot dogs. All right, let's get to cooking these street dogs. In my pan, I'm going to add my bacon wrapped hot dogs. Now this pan is cold, you guys. I want to render out the fat, so I don't want to have my pan hot already when I put my hot dogs in. So this is a cold pan. I'm gonna put all my hot dogs in. Once all my hot dogs are in, I'm gonna put them all off to the side. I'm gonna turn my heat on and I'm gonna slowly start rendering out that fat from the bacon. See how I'm starting to render out that fat from the bacon? I'm gonna get that all over my pan. This is what I'm gonna use to help fry my peppers in. I'm gonna throw all my peppers and my onions into this pan. Typically, I wouldn't say you should crowd your pan with anything, but for this recipe in particular, I want to use the steam from that meat, the steam that's coming off of the hot dogs and steam that's coming off of the bacon in the pan. I'm going to use some of that steam and all that fat. That's going to help me cook my peppers and my onions and these jalapenos. Go ahead and start adding some of those peppers and onions on top of the bacon wrapped hot dogs. You'll slowly see the steam start to come up. You'll start sweating down those peppers. Rotate your hot dogs, obviously. I want my hot dogs crispy. That's why I'm rendering out that fat, using all that fat to actually help cook those peppers, like I said. And it's gonna give me that really, really nice char, that crispy bacon I'm looking for wrapped around those hot dogs. All right, now those are done. Peppers and onions are cooked down like I want them. I got the good char on my jalapenos, and these bacon wrapped hot dogs are nice and crispy the way I want them. Now we're gonna start bringing all this together, and we're gonna start with the elote. I'm gonna take our grilled corn, the husk, I'm gonna pull that all the way back, pull it down. I'm not gonna pull it all the way off. I'm just gonna pull it down enough so that I can still grab it at the bottom. This is gonna be like a handle for us. Go ahead and do this to all four of them. Next, I'm gonna get my corn back on my cutting board. I'm gonna pull that sauce mixture out of the fridge, grab a brush, and I'm gonna take my corn and I'm gonna lather it up with that sauce. All over, everywhere you can see some corn at, put you some sauce on there. Next, I'm gonna top the corn with some of this Cotija cheese. Get a nice, generous helping of that. Sprinkle a little bit of this tajin on top. Yeah. Finish it with the rest of that cilantro that we saved from earlier. And bam, there you have it, elote. Tell me that don't look fire. Now I'm gonna start building these street dogs. I got my brioche buns here. I toasted them in my pan. I'm gonna sit those down. Inside of my brioche buns, I'm gonna go in with my bacon wrapped hot dogs. Let's go ahead and get those peppers up in there. Look how fire those peppers look. Yeah, let's get a nice, generous helping of those peppers on top. Once I got my peppers on my dogs, I'm gonna go ahead and lather these bad boys up. But what kind of sauce you want? You want some mayonnaise? Oh yeah, I want some mayonnaise. Let me get some mayonnaise. You want some ketchup on it? Yeah, let me get some ketchup. I want some ketchup on mine. Hey bro, you want some mustard? Yeah, go ahead and throw some mustard on it. Let me get some mustard on mine too. Bam! Look at those bad boys. Street dogs, baby. Can't forget those jalapenos that are charred up. Gotta put those on top. Let's go ahead and put that with the elote that we just made. Ooh, look how fire that looks, y'all. Woo! All right, let's go in for a bite. I got to get a bite of this hot dog. It's gonna be messy. It's gonna be messy, but it's a street dog. Come on now. What do you expect? Grab one of them, you expect to come out clean on the other side? All I can say is delicious. Let's go ahead and have a bite of this elote right here. Covered in cheese, covered in that mayonnaise, sour cream, cilantro sauce we made, covered in tajin. Took me a big bite out of it. Fire. All of this is bomb. This is exactly how you want it. Y'all need to try this.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Mexican street corn with some LA street hot dogs for you right there. The ones you get right outside the venue. Try this recipe, you guys. It came out so bomb. I'm telling you, you're gonna wanna try it at the house. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friend or foe. Let them all know. And we'll see you next week with another episode of Smell What Coop is Cooking.